you are the best investment you can make. You can go and make all the money in the world. All the money in the world. You can chase all the bags and catch them. Every single bag you chase. You caught every single bag. Okay, you caught every single bag. Now say you're millions of dollars. You're a millionaire, you're a billionaire. Maybe you're in your 50s, you're in your 60s, you're in your 40s, however long it takes you to get to millions and billions. If you don't invest in your health along the way, guess what's going to happen? You're going to have to turn around, take those bags, and give them to a healthcare practitioner. Whether you go to Western medicine or you go to a naturopathic way of healing, you're going to have to pay somebody to undo all that damage you did while you were chasing bags. But you could have avoided all that if you invested in yourself and your health and your well-being along the way. Now you're out here forking over all that money. You're not going to be able to keep all that money that you worked so hard for because you were stubborn and did not want to make the most important investment, which is within yourself. So yeah, invest in yourself. Just be real. Let's be honest, let's be honest with ourselves. In our self-love journeys, honesty is key. Honesty. I wrote a post about this like a year or two ago. You have to be honest with yourself. Brew some tea. Whatever tea you like, brew some tea. You don't have to be hippie and speak into your tea if you do not want to. Brew some tea and sit down and have a meditative session centered around that whole brewing of tea process. And just within that space of you brewing the tea, of you taking out the herbs or the tea bag and putting water in your teacup or in your tea kettle and turning on the stove after you put the tea kettle on the stove, and you're waiting for that sound to let you know the water's hot enough. Speak to yourself. Have an honest conversation with yourself. Be real with yourself. Honesty. But honestly, be honest with yourself, y'all. It's imperative. You're not going to go far. You can only go as far as you're honest with yourself. If you continue to lie to yourself, you continue to avoid topics with yourself, you continue to avoid the truth, you put a blockade on yourself. So, yeah.